Sangyup na para kang nag-aalyup sa sarap, swak sa lasa, swak sa bulsa. Tara na! Tikman na at isama pa ang barkada, pamilya at iyong palangga. Dito na tayo sa Budas Sangyupsal, located dito sa number 29 JP Laurel Highway, Barangay Marawoy, Lipa City, Batangas. Katapat lang ito ng City Hall ng Lipa. Hu! Hu! Budas Sangyupsal, mapapahu ka talaga sa sarap!
Good evening, no? Thank you for coming over. Etong Budas Sangyupsal, unexpected ang pagtayo dito. We first started the business with a Korean Kmart, the Budas Kmart, na katabing-katabi lamang. If you notice, ang nangyari dito because of the pandemic, ang nakita namin is all businesses medyo was difficult except for food. So we decided to establish the Budas Kmart. This was supposed to be a warehouse for Korean products. Install namin for wholesale. However, last minute, we had some problems with our Korean partners. So it did not continue. So what happened is that I am tied up with a warehouse for a period of 5 years. So we decided to come out with a business which is basically similar or related to the food industry. So we decided to come out with the Budas Sangyupsal house. This will be almost 1 year na, while the Korean Mart is more than 2 years. Okay, ang idea dito is for us to provide quality foods. Quality foods in the sense that but the value of the price, the value of the product is very reasonable and acceptable to the market. Imagine we are offering it we start at 199, but unlike others whose part is jowls o yung mga matataba, ours is we provide actually quality meat. Ang ginagamit po namin dito ay pork belly. Okay, so malaman at masarap at malambot, hindi po yung matigas. So even actually our side dishes, we make sure that we come out with quality products. And even on the mixtures, we do not actually utilize mga homemade na parang mga ingredients are coming from Filipino materials, but we are using actually authentic Korean products. Ang amin dito ay we make sure our customers get their money's worth. They're happy with our services. At ang pagkain po ay balikan nila. We just started here December 10. Wala pa po tayong 1 year. But as you could see, accepted po ng market. Of course, during the rainy season, syempre medyo may konting decline. But right now, it's October, pataas na ulit ang mga demands. And since kaninang umaga hanggang ngayon po ay walang tigil po ang pasok ng tao. And the remarks po ng mga tao is that they're very happy at babalik-balikan daw nila. And modesty aside, they were mentioning that iba po ang service, iba po ang lasa at sulit po ang bayad. First, we still price the product at 199. But the meat that we're using is not Joel's part, hindi matigas, ay hindi panay taba. We're coming out with using actually quality pork belly. Ang ginagamit po natin most of the time. And the products that we're using, the mixture we're using are authentic Korean products. So in other words, mura na, masarap pa. And aside from that, every month meron po tayong mga promo na ikakatuwa ng mga customers. Ang concept po namin kasi ay Korean foods and also Asian foods. Kung mapapansin nyo po, we are serving also Filipino foods, yung mga tapsi. But masasarap po yan, mura, at masasabi natin na very, very rich, affordable ang presyo. Example, we start our silogs with at a cost of 75 pesos. Kasama na po dyan ang rice, kasama na po dyan ay yung atsara, may kasama na pong kaping barako, at may kasama pong sabaw, soup, at eggs. Of course, silog yan eh. Okay? So, meron din po tayong ramen. Meron po tayong Japanese ramen. It comes on small and big packages. So, in other words, very affordable. Ang ano namin, ramen is we start at 130. Ang ano namin is 250, ang regular po namin. And compared to the others, napakamura po ng Japanese ramen namin, pero hindi po papahuli sa kalidad o sa quality at lasa. Budas po ay nakakatuwa. Ang Budas po kasi ay pangalan po ng aking minamahal na ito pong katabi ko po yan kasi po siya, ang pangalan po niya nung bata ay Buddha, ay napakataba po niyan. Nung bata ay cute, mukha siyang Buddha, walang leeg. In other words, ay ewan ko lang po kung ano nangyari at bigla pong gumanito. Pero ito yung pangalan na makikita mo na aside from kinuha namin sa kanyang palayaw ng bata siya, it is very Asian, no? Ang spelling lang ay iba, pero ang sound ay Buddha, no? Very religious pa nga. Papansin niyo po ang aming ang opening po namin, ang pinto namin dito, akala niyo po ay napakaliit po ng place. Pero pagpasok niyo po ay maayos po. As a matter of fact, ay we can accommodate as many as 70 persons or more at a given time, no? At may mga nagpapa-reserve. 99% po siguro ng mga pupunta dito ay pagkalabas po ay nakangiti at palaging sinasabing masarap, sulit ang bayad, at the same time ay babalik at babalikan. Meron po kami mga kliyente po as far as Cavite, as far as Laguna, and meron po ng Metro Manila na talagang dinadayo po kami. Invite those na napakinggan po, nakapanood po neto, na pumunta po kayo dito at we will guarantee you, no, you will experience the difference in terms of taste, quality products, in terms of service, and at the most affordable price possible.
June de Guzman para sa COM Media Productions.